this video, I will show you how you can set up more than one ad break in your YouTube channel and earn more revenue from YouTube. Adding all the title and video descriptions. Let's dive into the video tutorial. Along with the necessary hashtags and keyword channel video tags. We proceed to the monetization page of the video we just uploaded, where we need to activate the monetization option. Note, this ad breaks option is available only to videos that are 8 minutes or longer. We can enable ads during the middle of the video in addition to the ads at the beginnings and ends of videos. We can add the mid-roll ads manually or automatically, allowing YouTube to decide whether to add the mid-roll ads. Manually, we can move the playhead where we need the ad break and click this ad break button link like this. Do not fill the video with lots of ad breaks and irritate our video viewer. Always add the ad breaks only where necessary or moderately. Once we are satisfied with the mid-roll ads placement, we can continue with all the other process in publishing the video we uploaded and monetized, like ad sustainability, adding video end screen, video info cards, copyright and ad sustainability checks. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates.